Did you know that some children enter kindergarten understanding only 3,000 words, while other children enter kindergarten understanding 30,000 words? Which child do you think will be most successful? Hi, I'm Lois Cam-Heyman, speech-language pathologist, and I'm here today to talk to you about a new program called TeacherTalks. When the teacher talks, students listen. Are you a teacher, a therapist, a tutor, a parent, or in fact anyone that deals with children in an academic situation? This exciting webinar will cover all information about auditory learning and strategies and exercises that you can incorporate into your daily teaching that will enhance the student's ability to listen, attend, and learn. All things we know students really need. I hope you'll join us on August 21st from 1 to 3:30. Click here to learn more information about the course and how to sign up. And I'm looking forward to seeing you then.